everyone, it's Olivia. Today I'm drawing a dollhouse. Let's draw and paint together. First, I'm drawing the roof and the walls of the house. I love drawing and painting houses so much. Please try to draw this house with me. And let's draw the bathroom. I'm drawing a bathtub here. Here's a sink. And a mirror on the sink. Now let's draw the bedroom. I'm drawing the bed. This house is a 2-story house and it has 4 rooms. Now I'm drawing the nightstand and the lamp on it. Here's the other one. I love miniature houses. Now let's draw the kids' bedroom. Do you love to play with houses? And the dresser. There is a lamp on it. Living room. Let's draw a sofa here. Here is an armchair. And here is a little window here. Next, I'm drawing the kitchen. Here is an oven. I'm drawing the fridge. Let's draw the cupboards. And let's draw the stairs. Red. Blue. What is your favorite room? Yellow. Orange. Do you like to draw and paint houses? Olive green. It is so much fun to paint a house like this. Pink. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Purple. Blue. Green. Orange. Yellow. Pink. Green, blue, orange, light green, red, pink, blue, pink, yellow, and green. It is such a beautiful dollhouse, isn't it? Hello everyone, it's Olivia. Today I'm drawing a computer and a smartphone. Let's draw and paint them together. First, I'm drawing the monitor of the computer. Let's draw an emoji in this screen. Look, emoji is giving kisses. Now I'm drawing the keyboard of the computer. Let's draw the keys. This emoji looks so lovely, isn't it? This keyboard is going to be so colorful after the painting. And I'm drawing the mouse. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. I love studying on computer. Do you like to study on your computer? Pink. You can do a lot with computers. Blue, yellow, green, yellow, orange, red, yellow, purple. Now let's draw a smartphone. And I'm drawing headphones. Do you like to listen to music? Red, orange, pink, yellow, sky blue, pink, green, yellow, purple, They look so wonderful. See you on next video.